Hello everyone, my name is Eugenia Kim. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm inviting you to crochet with me these fantastic Christmas decorations that you can use as a decoration for your Christmas tree or to create something special for as a gift closure, or you can even make a garland of them, making like several of similar colors. You can use festive colors as usual or have some creativity. So everything depends on you. You really need just a little bit of yarn, even all the leftovers that you have like this. Different color combination make it look even cuter. So I decided to use traditional green color for Christmas tree and show you how to make Christmas tree out of a granny square. So we gonna start with the magic green. If you cannot make a magic green, you can always substitute with a chain of 4 and slip stitch into a circle. I prefer magic green, so just make a magic green, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you're gonna make 3 double crochet. So into the magic ring, 1, 2, and 3. So together with the chain 3 you got 4. Now we're gonna chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, pull a bit the yarn over and make another 4 double crochet. 4 is our number for this pattern. 2, 3, and 4. So we have one corner. Now we're gonna make another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. You chain 4 and make another 4 double crochet into the circle, into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we're gonna chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch into the third. Pull a bit the yarn into the third chain. So we have 1, 2, 3. Here we're gonna slip stitch. And we are ready to start the second row. So chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have 4 chains, and now yarn over and jump into this first arch or chain space of 4. So 1 double crochet and make in total 4 double crochet. So we have 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna chain 2, 3, 4 and make another 4 double crochet into the same chain space. 2, sorry for the extra noise, 3, and 4. So right now we are going to chain 1. yarn over and move to another corner, and we are making 4 double crochet. You always have a cluster of 4 double crochet. 2, 3, and 4. Now chain 4, 2, 3, 4, and another 4 double crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here we have 4 double crochet. We just chain 1 on top of them and move to the next corner. So make another 4 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make another 4 double crochet into the same chain space. 2, 3, 3 double crochet, because we already have chain 3 here. 3 double crochet and just insert into the 3rd chain and slip stitch. That's it. Now we are going to start our last row. Just chain 3 and make another 3 double crochet into the same space. 2, 3, 4. Now chain 1 and move to this corner and make the corner again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So chain 4, 3, 4, and another 4 double crochet into the same chain space. 3, 4. So here where you had chain 1 of the previous row, you just make 4 double crochet. Don't forget chain 1 and make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 1 and make another corner here. So 4 double crochet, 3, 4, chain 4, 2, 3, 4, and another 4 double crochet into the same. So as you can see, it's super easy. As all granny square patterns, the Christmas tree is easy as well. We chain 1 and move to the chain 1 space of the previous row, make 4 double crochet, 4, chain 1, move to another corner, make the corner, 2, 3, 4, chain 4. I love all Christmas projects because I can use all leftover that I collected during the whole year and they all upgrade for decorations of different types. So if you had a lot of leftovers scrap yarn, you didn't know what to do, make the Christmas trees. So you have this thing. Now what you have to do is chain 1 and slip stitch to the 3rd chain, and now we are going to make a trunk of the tree. So that's it, your tree is ready. This will be the top, here will be the trunk. So chain 1 and make 3, 4 single crochet, chain 1, turn and make 4 single crochet, including the chain 1, of course. You can make trunk as long as you want, but few rows is really enough to make a proportional tree. You can use brown color, for example, to make an accent on the trunk, or use the same green color. The tree will look awesome in any ways. So I guess that's it. Of course you can make, they are all from different yarn, cotton yarn, but actually because I use 3mm hook, they are more or less the same size. So later you can just chain 1, cut the yarn, make it even shorter to have more yarn for you, and then you can just use a hair spray lock, I don't know how to say exactly, to make it harder shape, or use the amido, like the cornstarch or potato starch, or even vanilla glue to make it more like hard. So this one is a soft version right now, but you can make them even with their rigid shape. So that's it for today. Later you can hide the yarn in between the stitches, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram to know when I publish new tutorials, because I have also stories where I show some techniques. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.